Crank the brake shot. Watch it. Put it. If you want to do that, put that thing back on there. Watch that piston head, Kimmy.
Can't do it, sir.